quiet room with steady hands, I carved a dream from Cyprian sands. Her face so pure, her form so fine, a love divine, but hers not mine. Eyes like dawn, lips still and cold, a statue fair, a beauty bold. I dressed her bright in silver gold, yet all my love to stone I told. Galatea, rise to me, awake from marble, wild and free. Aphrodite, hear my call, and grant me love to break this wall. Each whispered word, each gift I gave, was for a heart I longed to save. No mortal bride could match her grace, her perfect form, her timeless face. In desperate prayer I spoke her name, to love alone I staked my claim. And from the heavens, soft and kind, a goddess touched the ties that bind. Galatea, rise to me, awake from marble, wild and free. Aphrodite, heed my plea, bring her life, bring her to me. With hands on stone, I felt her warm, the marble soft, alive, transformed. From sculptor's dream to beating heart, no longer bound, will never part. Her eyes like dawn now blinked with light, my muse, my love, my soul's delight. A gift from God's, a miracle. In her embrace, I felt it all. Galatea, rise to me, awake from marble, wild and free. Aphrodite, heed my plea, bring her embrace, I felt it all. With devotion deep and vision clear, miracles bloom when hearts draw near.